Got me up all night, putting things on the side. What do you have in mind?
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another video. This video is going to be a nap time power hour. I had a lot of things that needed to get done, so I'm just going to bring you guys along with me. Now, I don't know why, but I absolutely love power hours. I feel like I always stay really motivated when I see myself racing the clock, and I feel like it holds myself accountable, and I don't tend to get lazy when I do a power hour. Now, I like to get the majority of the cleaning done while my kids are sleeping. They both take naps at the same time, so it does make it easy for me to get these things done. As you can see, I'm starting out in the living room. I don't know why, but it was really bothering me. There's crumbs everywhere and stuff everywhere. I know to some people this isn't that dirty, but to me, it stresses me out, so I started in here today.
Through our phone in the night, no, I'm here by your side. So tell me, where are you now? When your head is in the clouds, I wanna find out now. 'Cause I'm vibing with all we have, yeah.
Moving into the kitchen, my kids just got done lunch and then went down for their nap, so I hadn't cleaned up after lunch yet. So you're gonna see me picking up the kitchen table first.
I'm feeling what we are now. All I do is thinking out loud. 'Cause I'm running with these emotions, stumbling out of bed. One hell of a roller coaster. You're messing with my head. I'm ending up so clueless. What are you trying to find? I'm running with these emotions. Tell me, what do you have in
Now, you guys will see that we have everything on our island right now because we are actually in the process of putting up subway tile in our kitchen. And so my husband has asked me not to put anything there so that he could prime it and get it all prepped and ready. We should be doing tile this weekend, hopefully. So by the time you see a next video, I hope to have subway tile on. I'm so excited and I can't wait for you guys to see it.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight. This time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound.
And I did notice that our refrigerator was looking a little grimy from my little kid hands, so I did wipe that off really quickly. And I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I am trying to work on angles in my videos. I feel like I use the same angles all the time, and I honestly became bored with it, and I'm sure you guys were too. So you will see me switching up the way that I do angles and views in my house, and I hope that you guys are liking it. Moving into our master bathroom, I don't know what it is, but I feel like this area gets neglected so much in my house. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have the same issue or if I'm not alone. I feel like I can go days without cleaning this up and it just becomes a disaster. So I'm going to pick everything off of the countertops, and then I am going to wipe everything down.
Deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide.
Now I am going to give you guys a little close-up of our master bathroom countertop just to kind of show you guys how dirty it can get and let you guys know that it's totally okay to have dirty countertops. It happens, it is life, and you guys are totally not alone.
Carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide.
And then really quickly in our bedroom, I'm just going to make our bed and kind of straighten everything up, put things where they belong and all of that jazz.
I will put out all of the fire. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
Last thing that I'm going to do in this video is a load of laundry, because what would a cleaning video be without some laundry? I do try to do a load of laundry every single day just so I kind of stay on top of it and so that the laundry doesn't pile up by the weekend, because I don't like to spend my whole weekend doing laundry if I don't have to.
I am running for you.
And now I do have a quick question for those of you who have a significant other who does hard labor as their job. How do you wash their dirty clothes? I, for the life of me, cannot get my husband's mud and dirt out of his clothes. I just don't know what to do anymore. So please let me know what you guys do, what cycle you use, what temperature water, products, all of that stuff. Any advice is highly, highly appreciated, because I have just lost all control of his laundry and I don't know how to clean it anymore. Anyways, you guys, that is going to be it for this power hour. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you some motivation for your Friday. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I will see you all in my next one.
Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.